Hello YouTube. Here you can see my late 2006 iMac. It's a 1.83 gigahertz, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Well, it's supposed to be 4 gigabytes of RAM, but I've already tried it with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And this video is going to be about downgrading it back to the 2 gigabytes of Kingston RAM, 2 gigabytes of Kingston RAM that was previously, eventually, that was previously in the iMac. Right, I'll not waste any time. I'm in a bit of a weird angle here, but it's the best angle I can get where I can get it all in. But my sort of stand thing that I use, or that I use now, is a bit dodgy, and I'm using an iPad, a brand new iPad, so I've got to, watch out what I'm doing. Yeah, so you can either pull it to the front of your desk and then pull it up a bit, and then use your screwdriver to get inside. But I'm gonna tip it up onto its flat, onto its screen, and then I'm going to unscrew the bottom of the RAM cover. You can't see it, can you? Oh dear, this is not going well. Right there. I'll take that one off. There you go. I can see it better now. So you just take off the screws on the bottom. Then I've got one off. And then got the other one off eventually. And yeah, we're off. Now, as you can see, those screws don't want to come off that thing, so you see, you can't lose these screws because they don't want to come off, do they? So you can't really lose them. So that's a good thing, isn't it? I'll just drop the screwdriver on my foot. Oh well, then what you gotta do, you need to pull that little thingy, that little lever thing, I presume you'd call it. Pull the lever thing until the RAM sticks like poke out, so then you can. Not very. This isn't a very. Oh god, keyboard fell down back of it. And then you can try and get the RAM sticks out. So, and there you are. So previously I tried to put in one 2 gigabyte stick, and yeah, and then another same stick basically, but it didn't work. So we're gonna put in again these 2 1 gigabyte Kingston sticks that I showed you earlier. It was quite a exciting day today. Yeah, you've got to look at where the which side the little groove thing is, and that corresponds to the left side. So I'll do the top one first because it's easier, I believe. So just put it in without it. I'll move them out of the way. So I can put. Oh, come on. Right. This is a bit of a weird process, but it's fine. It works brilliantly when you finish it. It's just the first part So don't push it in fully, because that's what these things do. And then do the same for the bottom one. And then basically, what's that? Then but it's blurry that. Then what you do is just basically push them both into place. That's really how a click sound. Well, I do anyway. I don't know whether that's supposed to happen, but anyway, it's probably fine. We'll know it's fine when we boot it up, or try and boot it up anyway, because sometimes they don't secretly, and you get and you don't get anything on the screen. You just hear the fans come up as usual, but you don't hear a bong or anything. It just shows a solid light on. I suppose it'd be on that side if you're, I think anyway. Now let's see if I can try and get this screw in there. There we go. We go in. Is that tight in? I've noticed something, that there's a bit of a bump there. I'm gonna undo that screw a bit. I'm gonna see why it's got that big bump in the middle. Are they in correctly? See, this is the kind of thing that you could try to avoid. When you're putting the websites in, this is the kind of thing that make it not want to boot. I think it's just them little levers things like that, as I call them. But you know, I'm sure it'll be fine. So if we just tighten it up a bit. Only a bit, because you know, and we'll do the last final tightening at the end, so you know, so we don't have to waste our time unscrewing it. But I'm sure that they're going fine now. Other one, and that's it.